Okay, good morning guys, and welcome back to Just Winging It. We're at a job we were at last year, as you'll recall, doing this wall. And now we're doing the steps. So let's see how we can make it work. Hard part's done, we got the steps down there. They're heavy.
I know.
Holy.
Yeah.
So got Shane with me this morning, and he's running the skid steer, and we got these steps moved down here. That machine technically is not quite big enough to handle them properly. She had a little trouble lifting them up much, but it did it, and I got them here. So now we're going to start, and we're going to dig out the side over there, and we're going to see if we can't place some steps and making a set of steps up there. It's kind of backwards to how I would like to do it. I'd like to sit on top and dig from, sorry about that, dig from the top, and that way it's easier for me to dig out the step part. But unfortunately, we can't get up there to do that. So we're going to do it in big blocks from the bottom with some measuring and hope it works out. How we normally do stuff, we're going to just wing it. So let's get at her. So I guess this sticky ain't gonna work, so you'll go back out on the boom in a bit. car and everything's in the truck. I'm not picky or nothing. I figured you would have. Now, draw a line where it's sitting if it's in its right spot so that you got something to go by to put it back in. Just take the shovel and scrape a line, yeah.
Set it back down anyways. I'll try to.
Yeah, you gotta double check. That was ever so slightly. Pretty good? Just double check our levels there, we're all set. Good? Okay, yeah, because that's the critical one. The rest will set right to that. Just a matter of having our back slope is all we need.
Just follow the lines of the previous step.
Yeah, we're going to set them 4 inches on there and pack the back till it's full.
12 inches to the cut edge.
12 inches?
12 inches to
So
the cut
we
edge.
just line everything up with that stone, keep the back packed, and work our way up. Hopefully it works out. So we'll need to dump some gravel in there now. myself, you know.
Yeah, I can tell.
Didn't make a difference, so there. Well, if he only stops there, we'll have an extra one. You want to take them apart and start over with an extra one at the bottom?
No.
Come on, where's your sense of adventure?
There's a longer one down there. Okay, cover more area. We can see it.
Okay, well, we got here to the end of today, and we did accomplish what we had hoped to, was get the steps in place. Went not too bad, so this is what the semi-finished product is going to be. I don't know, the rest is going to be up to the homeowner. He's talking